Today we have the 2020 Peugeot 2008. This vehicle has done just over 42,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control and automatic headlights. On the right, we have automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our flow, statistics and charge. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes, starting with Eco, Normal and Sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof.